What's going on, guys? Jesse Hall over here at Dents and Detail, the Dent Man at 430 South Washington Street in Maryville. We're getting started to do repairs on this 2020 Subaru Outback right here on this fender. As you can see, it's some extreme damage right there through the body line all the way up to the top of the fender. Typically, when you bring this car to a body shop, they're going to want to replace the panel, repaint the panel, blend the color up into your hood, and blend the colors into your door, repainting virtually the whole front end of your car. Like I said, this is a brand new car. The customer wanted to see if paintless dent repair was an option, and so check out these results.